folds around the jazz, dim and moan, candlelight catching the edges of my thoughts. Guitar breeze, bass hum steady, drum bursts off, every note a companion to my quiet reflection. I hold my drink, contemplate choices and losses, every struggle handled without display. The world rushes, unaware of the calm intensity here. I'm over subtle purpose, every motion delivery. Their stories feeding, I absorb measure, navigate silently. The music and shadows carry me deeper. The gentleman folded breath and yet unseen. When the last candle fades, step lightly in the streets that seem oblivious, no trace left behind, no announcement made, only the soft pinprint of quiet resolve. But now the trees, but I remain a man moving in silence, deliberate, discreet, intense. Candlelight dances across amber liquid, guitar hums low, bass flowing beneath, drums brush softly, a gentle heartbeat. I sit, a quiet presence, observing all. Segment 2, contemplation, decisions made in private, struggles handled unseen, every breath deliberate, every thought measured, life outside rushes, oblivious to my pace, I'm moving calm intensely, fully composed. Segment 3, observation, the Bartender hums softly, wiping a glass. Strangers laugh, smoke curls upward in lazy spirals. I absorb everything without intrusion. A gentleman moving quietly, intensely, deliberately. Segment 4. In a monologue, every gesture reflects careful consideration. Every heartbeat aligns with the rhythm of thought. Candlelight mirrors my quiet resolve. Each flicker a silent testament to inner discipline. Segment 5. Exit. The bar empties, the night stretches outward. I rise, coat over arm, vanish into streets asleep. A subtle presence felt but unseen. A man moving in deliberate, calm silence. Calm silence.
I stand still when things collapse. Watch the truth reveal. Panic leaves fingerprints. Stillness lets you heal. I've seen chaos sell its soul for attention and relief. I chose another road. I chose disbelief. I don't justify my calm, I don't dramatize pain. I learned how to stay warm inside the rain. Stillness is my alibi. I don't run, I don't hide when questions multiply. I let silence decide. No trembling confession, no nervous disguise. I stay in my position and let the lies die. Neon lights accuse the rain. Cars whisper by. I watch men go insane, trying to deny. I don't defend my action, I don't rewrite my path. I accept the reaction, let it pass. Stillness is my alibi, no witness, no sound. I don't testify, just stand my ground. No need to convince, no need to persuade. I don't offer a defense, I let time fade. Fear sweats, calm breeze, that's how you tell. Truth doesn't plead, it doesn't sell. I don't flinch under fire, I don't bend to demand. I just quietly retire with clean hands. Another hour dissolves, I remain unchanged. Some men evolve by revolt, I evolve by restraint. Stillness is my alibi, that's how I walk night is deep, the city wide. I walk where secrets like to hide. Every step deliberate, slow refined. A shadow moving, leaving nothing behind. Windows shimmer, streets lie bare. I breathe in the midnight, the smoky air. Every heartbeat, a note in my song, a quiet rhythm that carries me along. Echoes in the dark, calling my name. I move in silence, free of the game. No one notices, no one knows the quiet strain in which I grow. Warm guitar hums, bass holds me near. Drums whisper secrets only I hear. I watch, I wait, I act with care. A lone gentleman, unaware. Life is loud, but I am calm. I navigate nights with quiet charm. No one to follow, no one to see. I am the man I choose to be. Echoes in the dark, calling my name. I move in silence, free of the game. No one notices, no one knows the quiet strain in which I grow.